Assalamu alaikum, beloved Hazur. I am Ibrahim Siddiq Ahmed Manghedi from Kochi Military Majlis. And my question to Hazur is why are most people greedy? And what must we do to stay away from greed?
You see, Allah Ta'ala says that you have to be contented. So if contentment counts, right? And the Holy Prophet ﷺ has said that when when you see somebody who is pious, who is God-fearing, who is observing all the commandments of Allah Ta'ala, then try to follow him and pray to Allah Ta'ala that Allah Ta'ala also give you that status, and you also struggle hard for that. But if you see a worldly person who is very wealthy, who is a millionaire, but is not discharging his duties towards his fellow being, just accumulating the money, collecting the money, usurping the rights of others, then pray to Allah Ta'ala that Allah Ta'ala save you from this. And don't follow that example. So, greed is something which is affecting you because of your environment. So you try to avoid that environment, then Allah Ta'ala will save you from this greeding. So today, because the world is almost 90% of the people, 99% of people are materialistic. So they have forgotten what are their duties towards their Creator. This is why they are greedy. Had they known their duties towards their Creator, then they would not have behaved like this. So we Ahmadis should take this banner and spread this message to all across the country and the world that we should discharge our duties we owe to Allah Ta'ala and to our fellow being. That will reduce your greed. Right? Not only reduce, that will just stop you from thinking of greediness.
Yes, Hazur. Jazakumullah.
Okay. Next, only one question.